On a recent visit to the Bradenton area of Florida, we stayed at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Bradenton Downtown Historic District. This hotel was originally built in 1926 as the Manatee River Hotel. It closed then in 1966, and after other uses and owners, it was purchased in 2010. It was renovated to the National Register of Historic Places standards, and the Hampton Inn opened in 2013. Beautiful lobby. It was so nice. These chairs were comfortable, the high ceilings, the big windows. The staff was wonderful. This staircase going to the second floor was beautiful. It was an original staircase, beautiful floors, and they really kept some of the touches of the original. You can see what remains of the original mail drop slot. And even though the elevators are modern, the floor, where you can find the floor numbers, that was still original. And again, this hotel was just very, very beautiful. So we really enjoyed it. And it also has a fitness room as well as a small pool, a breakfast area. Of course, many Hamptons have a free breakfast. The coffee and tea was all day long, and it was a beautiful, beautiful room for breakfast. The basic Hampton breakfast, but enough to get you going. So, and then here's a little bit of a room tour, and we really, really enjoyed our stay. So, room tour at the Hampton Inn in Bradenton. Forgive the little bit of mess. We're on our way out. So this is the bathroom right when you walk in. Very nice. It's got the conditioner and the soap and the body wash. It is a high tub though to get into the shower. When you first walk in, you'll have the microwave and the refrigerator and a nice sized closet with a decent amount of hangers. There was an extra blanket. It has an ironing board and the iron. And then this is the main part of the room. A nice bench for a suitcase, TV, dresser, desk. It also had a stand. Beautiful windows, large, beautiful windows. Not much of a view, but beautiful windows. And this one was one with 2 queen beds. The beds were very, very comfortable. The room was very comfortable. So we enjoyed our stay here. The hotel is actually quite beautiful. And so just a quick look at the hotel room, just a basic hotel room, but it was very nice, very clean, very comfortable. And it also had a full-length mirror, which is always nice. So we enjoyed it. We enjoyed it very much. Again, the hotel is very nice. And there you go. Just a couple more stills of the room. We did really like it. We really enjoyed the hotel. The closet was very big. We liked that it had the one bench that you could put a suitcase on, as well as the suitcase rack, because that came in very handy when you have more than one suitcase. If you go to that area, make sure you hit the water. There are a number of beautiful beaches and a lot of very nice restaurants that you can enjoy with fresh seafood right along the water.